Yes, good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the next chapter, the chapter number 15. Its name is light. Now, what is light? I already given the definition. Light makes the things visible to us. Okay, the first phenomena that taken by light is reflection of light. Now, what is reflection of light? For example, if we have a plane mirror and this is the light, incident light, the light coming from source is incident light, then after bouncing back from the reflected surface, the light bounces back to this path, this known as reflected ray. And the angle between incident ray and normal, what is normal? Normal is the perpendicular on the reflected surface. Okay, here the reflected surface is mirror, so normal is the imaginary line, you can say, which makes the angle 90 degree with the surface. Okay, and the angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and angle between reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. Okay, and there is two laws of reflection. First one is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal lies in same plane. This is the first law of reflection. Second one is angle of incident is equals to angle of r. Okay, next we have these activities. These activities shows the laws of reflection, that angle I is always equal to angle r. Next we have the characteristic of image found by plane mirror. Now, what are the characteristics of plane mirror and what is the plane mirror? This is the plane mirror, you can see, and it is prepared by silvering the silver polish to the glass, and to make it reflection, to make it to able for the reflection. So how we prepare plane mirror? By polishing the glass with the silver paint, you can say. Now, what are the characteristic of plane mirror? There are many application or many characteristics of plane mirror. The image of plane mirror cannot be observed on the screen. First, the image formed by the plane mirror is imaginary. Imaginary means, or you can see the virtual, not imaginary, virtual image. Virtual image is those which can't be taken on a screen, and real image are those which can be taken on screen. This is a major difference between real and virtual image. The image size is same as the object, upright like a object, and distance is same. For example, this if our hand is at 10 centimeter, then the image is also about 10 centimeter inside the plane mirror. Okay, and this is the activity we already done in the worksheet, that there is a most important phenomenon is known as lateral inversion takes place in the case of plane mirror. Now, what is lateral inversion? The left of the object appears on the right of the image and vice versa. Means जो left होगा that appears to be right, and right appears to be left. In other words, the right hand side of an object appears to left hand side and the image and vice versa. This is known as lateral inversion. Okay. Um, Also, there is the image characteristic of image formed by plane mirror. It is virtual, erect and later inversion of image of the object. Now, different type of surfaces. What are the different type of surfaces? There are two main types of difference. First one is smooth surface, other one is rough surface. Smooth surface is like a plane and rough surface is like this. Okay, so what type of reflection takes place on rough surface or on the smooth surface? This is the smooth surface. The incident rays coming from the source has very much symmetry in these, and angle of I is always equal to angle of R. Also, in case of rough surface, incident rays are coming to this side and reflected coming to this, the pattern is not symmetrical in this case. Okay, and regular means the incident rays or smooth or flat surface produce parallel rays. This type of reflection is called regular. This type of reflection takes place in the case of mirror, glass, water, etc. Diffused or irregular, The reflection is set of parallel rays incident on the rough surface produce reflected rays travel in a different directions. Okay, the direction is different. Also, these type of reflection produced by the writing paper, clothes, wooden board, etc. These produce um, irregular or diffuse reflection. Also, we have the absorption, reflection, and transmission. Absorption means that absorb all type of lights. Reflection means the bouncing back of light. Transmission means in case of glass the light passes through. So this is all about the chapter. And multiple reflection, as you can see in the diagram, if we place two mirrors like this parallel to each other, so there must be a infinite image formed by the by the plane mirror. So these are the important characteristics of plane mirror, and you have to do this chapter up to I have mentioned the page number